Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas Day 22. I'm so excited because I only have 3 more days left and my progress on YouTube is making me very excited. I am blessed and overwhelmed. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this green smoky eye video. That's what I'll be showing you today. First things first, I took some powder and I lined it on underneath my eyebrow, and then I took powder and put it underneath my eye to catch any fallout from the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm going to use my bronzer color as my crease shade. It's a faint brown. You can't really see it. It's not that deep. That is the type of brown that you need. Just something to be able to make sure everything is blended out properly. I use this as my shade just to make sure, because I'm doing green. And with greens and blues, I love to use gray to blend them out, and then I'll use brown as my crease shade because it helps to keep it from turning ashy. So I'll use my Bolieve Beauty Wild Side eyeshadow palette today. I used the light green in there to pack that onto my eyelid. This is the Fenty Beauty concealer brush, I believe it is. I'm not sure what number it is, but I am 100% sure it's the Fenty Beauty concealer brush. And it was clean when I packed the green eyeshadow on there. Y'all, this part here, this is in real time. This is exactly how many times I put down the green. And just to, mention, the eyelids have wet concealer on them. I did not set it with powder because I wanted to make sure that the green was as vibrant as possible. I didn't need to be too loud, but I needed it to be loud enough to where people can see it. And as you can see, I'm just going back and forth, filling any spots where I feel like the green may need to go like just a little bit more. And I'm not really blending it out with a brush. I'm just placing it onto where I want it to go. Now with my eyelids, I have very huge eyelid. I have a lot of eye space. So I like to make sure when I'm doing a smoky eye, I keep the main color low, because if I don't, it'll turn out to be a mess. Like, it'll be all over my eyelid. I would hate it. I will be so upset. So I just make sure that I keep it just on the lower half of my lid. And I'm just going to keep packing that shade on. This is in real time. So if you're wondering how many times did I pack it on, that is how. And next, I went in with the Jeffree Star Orgy palette. Y'all, that color that I was pointing to was like a grayish kind of color. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I was going to go to the store and buy a eyeshadow palette with a true gray in it, but it was like a gray, like brownish kind of color. I really don't know exactly the name of the shade. I mean, I know the name of the shade, obviously, but I don't know the shade of gray, like the name of it. Like, I don't know what exactly it's mixed with, but in my opinion, it was like a grayish brown and maybe like a speck of blue. But either way, it turned out so pretty. I just knew it would look so good with this green. Like, it was the perfect gray. And these are all matte shades that I'm using, by the way. I'm not using any what is it called? Any like sparkly shades or cream shades. Only thing creamy that's in this eye look is my concealer that I use. But yeah, so I'm just blending that in. Now this shade goes in between the brown and the green. As you can see, I was kind of losing my green a little bit, which you'll get that with any color. You'll lose it once you start blending it. So I'm just going back in and with the same brush that I used to pack on my green shade, and I'm packing on some more green onto my eyelids. This is also in real time. The blending of the gray in between the green and the brown is also in real time. This is how much I blend. I didn't skip over anything. So if you just so happen to be using like a different color, you can use this same technique. Now I'm just going back in with the second color that I used from the Orgy palette to just blend everything and well, make sure everything is blended properly, because with smoky eyes, You'll get like a harsh line if you're not blending it in properly. But, you know, your girl is very adamant about blending everything out, especially when it comes to eyeshadow looks. So yeah, I just blend that out, and then I go in with the brown from the Fenty Beauty palette, from the Fenty Beauty bronzer and Caramel Cutie, and I just blend out everything, make sure it's seamless, make sure that underneath my eyebrow isn't too harsh. Yeah, I went back in with the gray because I had to make sure I blended out the corner of my eyes. I wanted to make sure that the corners were good. I like to do like the draw out smoky effects on the corner of my eyelids. So as you can see, it looks gray on the corner. So that was the last thing that I did to my eyes as far as eyeshadow. And then I went in with this Fenty Beauty powder brush and sweeped all of the under eye powder out. You might want to spray your face after that to make sure that whatever powder is left over, it is melted. I went in with my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I fanned it because I'm impatient and didn't feel like waiting on it to dry. Then I went in with my Too Faced mascara, the waterproof one in the pink bottle. And then I went in with the fan again. And then I went in with my L'Oreal Telescopic again, y'all. And then I put on my eyeliner. Then after that, I went in with the green, just the green underneath my eyes. I didn't do the gray because I didn't want it to look like too dark, but I wanted the perfect green shade. This is this is in real time as well. I didn't use any I didn't cut out any of the how long I blended everything. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. This makeup tutorial, well, it's not gonna be a makeup tutorial after this. It's just gonna be me showing y'all my quick makeup look. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can use this same technique with any other color. And thanks for being on me on this journey. I'm really excited. We have 3 more days left. See you guys later. Bye.